So the first thing you're going to want to do is watch your video and decide where you're going to want your transitions. So after watching my video, I've decided that I want a transition here and here. So now that you know where you want your transitions, you go to the effects tab and then you go over to video transitions.
Smart sound.
Once you are there, there's a variety of transitions like 3D motions, dissolve, iris, page peel, slide, and zoom. When you see the transition that you want, you click, drag it, and place it on your video. Once you've done that, watch over your video to make sure that it's what you want it to look like. Thank you for watching.